Welcome back to the next episode in the RX-8 series.
Seriously, I just had it.
For those of you that have been following along, thank you very much for subscribing and keeping up on things. I just wanted to do a quick update on the RX-8. At this point, I have 799.3 miles on the car. Now, I've changed out the oil at 100 miles, 300 miles, and 700 miles. I'm still getting quite a bit of smoke coming out of the exhaust on initial startup, and that's a little bit concerning. I was running a little bit of a heavier weight oil, which I am told whenever you lap irons that the oil control rings don't wear in as quickly as they should if you run the lower weight and proper oil. So I've switched that back. I'm dealing with a little bit of consumption, so it's probably about 3/4 of a quart every 300 miles. I'm hoping that once seals meet irons that will alleviate itself. If not, we might be talking a potential breakdown of the motor again and oil to replace those oil control rings. Really hoping that's not the case. I plan on putting about 1,500 miles on the car before I really start worrying about things. Because it has been burning a little bit of oil and kind of crop dusting everywhere I go, one of the things that I did is I added an oil catch can in there just to see if it was coming back up through and sucking it back up in through the intake. Apparently that's a common problem with the RX-8s. I did pull out the spark plugs, and they were a little bit black on all 4 of them, which tells me that it's probably not the oil control rings that are leaking. If that were the case, they would only be like black, charred, burnt, and have burning oil on one of the rotors as opposed to 2 of them, unless the oil control rings on both rotors have kind of pooped the bed, so to speak. And I'm really hoping that that's not the case. The only thing I can do at this point is put some more miles on the car, enjoy it, and feel sorry for the people behind me at a stoplight whenever the thing's kind of blowing smoke everywhere. It's just kind of one of those things that I need to run it and watch it, and hopefully things are working out. It's been a blast to drive this thing. It's a very comfortable car, well balanced, and it handles really well. The steering's really tight. I've really enjoyed driving this car. In the interim, I'm just going to continue driving and enjoying the car, keeping an eye on my oil levels, and of course running premix in it, and keeping an eye on the oil catch can. It has a clear visual tube that'll tell me whether or not I'm getting blow-by that's wanting to come back into the engine, or if it's just straight up burning oil through one of the seals. Thanks so much for watching. I'll try to keep you updated. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.